Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about Melio payments, and this is the best software to pay vendors and contractors. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Jumping onto the platform, we can see we are on its dashboard. So the very first thing that we can see on our dashboard is basically this add a new client option. Now since this is the software to pay vendors and contractors, obviously we can add new vendors and clients and all that stuff. So once you click on this, you can add your client's company name, and once you type that, we are going to be typing their company name. Let me just put in any mail that I got, and here it is, and then click on continue, and then you can select this option. It is asking if you want to add them on QuickBooks, so then you're going to be simply it is simply telling you that the email is already registered, but let's just add that already and just wait for a couple of seconds, and you will be able to see a request is sent, and once they approve it, they will be added in here. Let me just check if I received any. Yeah, I did receive on my other monitor, so let me just approve it. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so basically it is sent, and you can also simply resend the request if they haven't accepted or deleted. Now coming on to the left side of our screen, you can add your team. So if you head over to there, you can see you have new member option, and you can also add your payment system. So click on this pay option on the left side, and it will be directed towards that. So here, as you can see, you can add your vendors in here and simply also add your payment. So you also have your get paid and customers features, and you can also modify your account setting using the settings option. So that's it for this area basically. Now if we are talking about, let's say, this platform Melio payments, and let me just show you some amazing reviews people left on this. So you can see if I scroll through some of them, we have, like, for example, great option for small company bill payment, and Melio is our go-to payment processing, and you can see really nice reviews. Now if you want to try out Melio payments, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys around in the next video.